Lasagna with Miss Todd's Handmade Creations, and today I come to you with another Diamond Art Club unboxing. I like these, dog. Yeah, baby. Let's see. That's all I've been ordering from. I haven't even ordered from Auntie Allie. All right, let's see. Another slip in the bottom of the box. When you get these. Ooh, I know which one this is. Alright. This one is a square. And this is from one of the new releases that just came out. And let's see. I am so excited to start to get this kind. There are a couple more in the series that I want that this artist did. They are still out of stock. But as soon as they are, I'm getting them. And it is super cute. So let's get these out. Yes. Okay. The toolkit, and this is for a square. Again, you get the 2 heart wax, the boat, the squishy, the blue pen, loads of baggies, a 4-placer, and very sharp tweezers. So y'all know I got tons of those to share. Alright. So of course we got the small sticker. And here is the image. Oh my goodness. I'm going to turn it this way. This is one of the new releases called Bubble Fairies. It is a square. It is 69 centimeters by 56 centimeters, which is 27 inches by 22 inches, and it has ABs. There are 52 colors. Are you freaking kidding me? 52 colors and 2 ABs, 126 and 141. There go to 141. Always. Let's see. I am excited to see this. And this is by Randall Spangler. So Randall has a series with these dragons, and this is the step-by-step instructions, which has a coupon code. I've just been throwing them in the trash because I already got it, so I don't need to keep it. So let me unravel it. Oh my gosh, he has a series of dragons doing different things, and I gotta have them. So when I saw this one, new release, I was like, oh yeah, I'm getting that. And I want the other. There's 3 that I want. I got one coming that's I already purchased, that is for Halloween. If y'all check the site, you probably know what I'm talking about. But it's on, it was a pre-order, so I'm waiting for that one too. But here are the drills. ABs, Bubble Fairy, put those to the side. Look at this baby. OMG. Look at this, guys. OMG, it's so pretty. Look at the pink fairy. Oh my gosh. And it looks like this one has glitter as well. Diamond Art Club, are you starting to glitter up your canvases? Look at the beautiful castle. Look at these bubbles, guys. Oh, there's a fairy in the bubble. Cool. I didn't notice that. There is a fairy right there. But look at her pink, beautiful wings. And look at this darling. I love dragons. Oh my goodness. Look at those beautiful blue eyes, guys. Oh, it's so cute. And she is in a bathtub. We're going to call her she. Look at those lashes. She is in a bathtub that is pink. Look like pink and purples. Beautiful pink towel. Look at her pillow. She is cute. I'm loving these bubbles, guys. They just pop out of the canvas. This is too cute. And it looks like another fairy's in this bubble. So the fairies are getting caught up in the bubbles. 52 colors. Are you freaking kidding me? This is so cute. So let's go ahead and get her. Oh, yes. Flattened out. And I'll show y'all this side so y'all can see the information. And of course the drill fill. Y'all know I'm going to show you that. Look at that clear drill fill. And look, it is a square with ABs called Bubble Fairies. 69 by 56 centimeter, which is 27 inches by 22 by Randall Spangler and Diamond Art Club. Yes. So I check it every day. So as soon as I see those other dragons, I mean one of them, these gonna look so cute hanging in my craft room. One of them with the books. Oh, I need that one so bad. That one, if y'all saw my other video with my cover minders, I love to read. So I was like, that is perfect for me. Look how beautiful, guys. Oh my goodness. Let's get into these drills. Let's see what these drills look like. I'm excited. Wow, this is a long bag too. Makes me think those are glow in the dark. But it would say glow if it was glow in the dark, wouldn't it? Let's put that there. Leave you right there. Let's see how many trains we got. All right, 1, 2, 3 trains. Yes! All right, so let's look at these babies. Start with the big bags. Y'all know I love doing that. Big bag of purple. $7.97. $2.09. $37.56. When I look at these, don't they look like they glow in the dark, guys? $37.56. That definitely looks like it glows in the dark. It might not, but I'm thinking it just looks like it's a very, very pale yellow, green, I guess. All right. Ooh, my favorite purples. We got 2 bags, double trouble. $5.50. Oh, that's my favorite purple. $7.96. $38.26. $38.37. $33.34. $9.76. Look like pumpkin. Ooh, yeah. Then we got 2 bags of purple again. Wow. $3.27 for that shading. Ooh, 2 bags of $7.98. $8.23 and $400. Wow. A lot of bags in that one. All right. Then we got lavender, $1.55. 2 bags of $9.39. They could have put these in one bag. $2.08. $33.71. Ooh, look like bubble gum. $6.03. Do I have this in AB? $6.03. Matter of fact, hold on. Let me see. $6.03. I'm going to have to write that in my... Yes, I do. Yes. Okay. I'm finna say I have to have that one. That pink is beautiful. I got that one. $3.01. $8.20. Oh, that's a bright purple. Purple blue. $3.40. $9.05. $2.10. $9.06. $8.90. $6.04. Ooh, I like that one as well. Might have to get that one too. $36.07. Ooh, our first AB. $141. Y'all know that white. It's a half a bag. Look at that AB on there. Beautiful. $9.07. $37.55. $9.77. And $8.95. One more train. Let's see. All right. Then we got 904, 605. Ooh, I like 605 too. And then, oh, there's the second AB, 126. That is a purple. Very, very light purple. Wow. I don't think I have 126 AB in a kit. 602, 3325, 950, 963. Oh, this is a baby pink. I like that one too. Oh, look at this little bag of 310. Oh, so these are extras because I have a 310. 3 bags, wasn't it? A 310? Yeah. So now we got this bag. So maybe some of these are duplicates. 333, 728, 300, 3746, 718, 470, 471, 938, 165, look like some eggs, 3841, 915. I think we have a big bag of that one. So maybe this is overflow like some of them. 445, another some more eggs, and 783. Wow, very nice. So let's look where these ABs go, guys. Oh my goodness. Number 1 is the pale purple, little lavender, and then number 2 is the white ABs. So let's look for number 1, that lavender. Number one, where are you? Okay, in the castle. It looks like it's outlining over the arches here. Some ones there, some ones here. One's going up the steeple there. One's in this fairy's outfit. None there. I would think it would be some in this curtain. Maybe not. Oh, there's some in the bubbles. In these bubbles, I see wands. In the bubbles, guys. Yeah. Very nice, but it's not a lot. Alright, number 2s are the white. And we'll start at the bottom. And it's so weird, guys. It's not around the bubbles. Wow. This has to be a white. But it's not number 1, not number 2 for the white ABs. Let's see where they go. Oh, I see her toes, her toenails. And it's only on this foot. Oh, I'll probably change those out. I want both sides to match. They have a different number, like the bubbles. It's on this foot. I'll probably switch it. And these are number 1. Okay, got some in her eyes. Going down her jaw. The outline of this bubble and this bubble, that one. But these bubbles down here are not. But these bubbles up at the top have it. Not all the way around, just on certain parts. And then the fairy is, her wings have ABs, the white AB outline in her. And there's also some in the castle, in the windows. This is going to be nice. And right here, oh my goodness. This is so cute. I just love this little cute dragon. I'm loving the bright color that it has on it as well. So again, here is the sticker sheet. This one is called Bubble Fairies by Randall Spangler. And I'm hoping they hurry up and bring the other ones out again. Release them again, at least pre-order. They're not even pre-order right now. But anyway, y'all let me know what you think. Y'all need to go and get this kit, honey. I love this one, the dragon. Y'all let me know what you think. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, guys, bye-bye.